Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you fix the Messenger chat heads or bubbles not showing on the Messenger app or on your screen in general. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, tap and hold on the Messenger app right here and then tap on app info to basically go to the settings of Messenger on your device. From here, tap on notifications, and then what you need to do from here is to make sure you have the allow floating notifications and allow notification badges options turned on. Both of these have to be turned on, with the first one that says show notifications, of course. After that, quit from here. This time we need to go ahead and open your settings app. Let's go ahead and find it right here. Here it is. Go ahead and tap on it. In the search bar at the top, search for display over. You'll find lots of options. Tap on display over other apps, and then again tap on display over other apps. Here, wait for the app list to load up. Once it does, scroll down until you find the Messenger app. Once you find it, tap on it and make sure to enable this toggle right here. Once you do that, you can finally quit from the settings app. This time we can open Messenger. From Messenger, tap here in the top left corner on those three lines. Then tap on the gear icon right here. You'll find lots of options here. Look for the one that says bubbles. So tap on it. And then make sure the option that says all conversations can bubble is the one selected. Just like that, this time you can tap and hold on the conversation that you want to bubble and then tap on show as bubble, and here you go guys, that is how can you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And of course, as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos guys.